Hi guys, welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. Yes, Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Year in advance. Yes, the new year shall be fruitful for all of us. And today join me to cook our fish soup. Yes, but the first thing first I'm going to do, I'm going to put my fish in the oven. Yes, I'm using Titus and egg. Yes, I'm using the both combination of both fishes together. Yes, please guys, if I just joining my page, please comment and subscribe. Like I used to say in all my video, your subscription, your comments keep me going. Yes, please share my video. I love you guys. Okay, now let's start. So I'm going to use the spray cooking oil, yes, as the base before I lay down my fishes. Yeah, before I lay down the fish. Yeah, I've already blend all my peppers together. I use bell pepper, long pepper, I use onion and tomato. Yes, I blended everything together. That's what I'm going to use for the pepper. Yes, so as you can see, this is getting ready to go to the oven. Yes, it is getting ready to go to the oven. Yes, you can check out my other pages on how I used to clean my fish and put it in the oven. Yes, I use palm oil in this video. I use palm oil and our fish is ready. So, and the pepper is already boiled together. We are adding the fish, then the only thing that remains is the salt. Yes, thank you guys, stay tuned for my next video. Bye.